Hello students, how are you today? For me, I am doing okay. I hope that all of you are doing the same. So for this video, we'll be learning about verbs and simple past tense. Now let's start with verbs. Verbs are words that describe an action. It talks about something that happens. So in this video, we'll be learning the verbs as action words. Now let's read some example of sentences here. So the first is, they play football. Now in this sentence, what action did they do? The answer is play. Okay, next sentence. She cleans the kitchen. The action used is cleans. Okay, so that is for the verb. Next one is simple past tense. Simple past tense talks about things that have already happened. So if we say that have already happened, we're talking about the past. Past like last time, last night, or yesterday, last week, last month, or last year. It usually adds D or ED at the end of the word. Now let's look at some example of sentence here. Number 1, they play football. The action used in the sentence is play. Now, the simple past of play is, you will just add ed at the end of the word. So if we will spell it, it would be P-L-A-Y-E-D. We read this as played. Now let's read the sentence using the simple past of the action word. They played football. Next sentence. She cleans the kitchen. The action used is cleans. Now, the simple past is cleaned. So the sentence here is, she cleaned the kitchen. Okay, so that's all for the verb and simple past sentence. Now, let's move on to your activity. Part 1 of your activity, instruction. Fill in each blank with an appropriate action verb from the list below. Each word in the list should only be used once. So before we start, let's read the words here in the box first. Catch, growing, reading, drawing, planted, singing, fold, play, taught. Now, for number 1 example, the grass is getting taller. It is blank so fast. Said here that the grass is getting taller. So what should be the correct answer? The word is growing. Okay, now let's read the sentence again with the answer. The grass is getting taller. It is growing so fast. Part 2. Complete the sentences with the past simple form of the verbs in brackets. Example number 1. I blank my mother in the garden yesterday. The action word or the verb in the bracket is help. Now, what is the simple past of word help? The answer is helped, spelled as H-E-L-P-E-D. So we just add ed at the end of the word. Now let's read the sentence again with the correct answer. I helped my mother in the garden yesterday. Let's have one more example. Number 2. Peter and Kiki visit Aunt Paula last week. The action word or the verb in the bracket is visit. Now, the simple past of the word is, that's right, we'll just add ed at the end of the word again. So let's read the sentence with the answer. Peter and Kiki visited Aunt Paula last week. That is all for this video. Please use this as a guide to answer your activity. Thank you for watching and see you again next time. Bye!